Pull up the spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Place it through the thread guide. Draw thread down into the tension area and around the check spring holder. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Firmly draw thread up and through take-up lever from right to left. Then draw thread down and slip it into the lower thread guide. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Raise the needle to the highest point. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the lever while holding the end of the thread. Rotate the lever to the rear of the machine. Guide thread into hooked end and pull the thread upward. Raise the presser foot. Continue turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot.